okay. The rain stops, so we'll have another peak see. It's a little bit low over there at the front. I mean, at the back. Over there.
For the machine to walk.
What machine?
If you want Clarence coming
No,
to
you
the back.
get him as soon as possible. He can come anytime. He didn't even come in the rain.
Oh, he can?
Yeah, once this is this is all filled now, he can just walk on it. Just get him to come and look at it. He can come. You get it done right away. You want to plant? You can plant on that side. But he might need access on that side right now to finish that back dam. And look at this. This is it's too low there actually.
Yeah.
In the middle here. I don't know where he's going to get the fill from.
Oh,
Unless this guy just leaves a big pile here for him to work with.
Oh, can he not use that?
Well, yeah, he can use that too. We're not going to bring in trucks to fill. Let's use that first. Just for him to walk it that way, it's hard. But he's got a truck. He can bring his truck.
This way?
Yeah, if he walks the trail first, the flat trail, then he can just drive the truck. Load the truck, drive it over. But this is, how many meters is this one? Probably still dig a little bit more out of there.
Huh?
Oh yeah, his fence is coming way over there, though. Way out of line.
Maybe, maybe not. We don't have good eyes.
No, good eyes. That's about 5 or 6 meters. This fence is. Anyhow, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.5. You can't really take anything out of here because we want this about this big. But you may be able to dig some out of that side. But maybe he couldn't find enough to finish this off when he was digging down there. I don't know.
No, the thing is, there was a big opening here.